Hello everyone, have you ever seen the movie The Sixth Element with Bruce Willis? Well, I tried to recreate a spaceship that looks almost exactly like it. This is the police unit. So I will describe exactly what it is and how I actually created it. So this is the custom engine right here. The grill right there, there was a very small amount right there. And the wheels themselves, this is what actually floats this item on air, is the wheels themselves. So this is actually a combination of two different Lego sets combined, and then I made a lot of modifications to make it even better. So the first thing that you really notice is the cockpit itself. When you open it up, you can see everything in it. There is a computer keyboard right here, the wheel itself to control the unit. There is the grill for the exhaust vent in there. So the exhaust is right here with the engine itself, the grill itself in there, the portable air condition that you have to have for it, and you can put one minifigure in here. There is not enough room here for anything more than one, so we'll put just one in here and we can easily close it. There is a little space right behind the minifigure himself to put some accessories in there. There is not much real space in this except for the minifigure. There was not even a place to put a bad guy into it. So if you really need to take more than one minifigure, it's pretty hard. Now when it closes itself, it just snaps right in here, and that's it. It's very secure after that. Here is the police, red and blue right there. There's a few more things I'm gonna actually do here. So this is not 100% complete yet. I would say it's 99% complete. And here the air things, so when it floats in the water, it's kind of cool because not only it can fly, it can also float in the water itself with this. Now the only thing that it's a little bit I don't like about this is this wheel right here can't move anymore up here. First of all, because this actually bothers it, but you can easily take it out, but you can't take this out, so it doesn't really let you do that much in it. So if you want to actually drive this unit outside of the water itself, like in the city, the back wheel would actually work, but the front wheel does not. So this is something that I overlooked when I created this, and I wonder if I should actually go into it and fix the front wheel issue. But I do like the look in the front, so I didn't want to ruin the look right there. For the back itself, there is a lot of aerodynamic space here, so the air itself flows this way. Now there is an adjusting unit right in the back itself here, so if there is a huge airflow, it stabilizes this thing, so it can go either down or up. It's a very small I forgot the name of this exact feature in the back of the car, but this is very handy. Now when you go all the way to the back itself, you can see the exhaust vents right here, and I kept it very original to the original set itself that I got this from. So there was a Space Police set that I actually used for inspiration for this whole unit. So there was a few things in there that I kept, which actually includes the back piece that I added to it. So it really is a combination of two different sets together, and then I made a lot of modifications to shrink it to size, because this thing would have been the original Space Police unit was like twice almost bigger than this, and this one is a bit small. Now let me get the minifigure right out of here and to show you just the scale of this particular unit. So this is a minifigure compared to this item, and it's still kind of giant if you really want to ask me about. And here is another thing that I have forward. This is the Space Police unit that you can use for the bomb disposal and the bomb squad. And this wraps up this show, and if you really like it, make sure to subscribe to it to see any more of those shows in the next issue.